If you clicked on this video, I hope you enjoy your stay, and well, today's video is going to be the first video in a line of Civic mods that I've lined up for the rest of this month, while also this is the first Civic mod in the last 3 months, I would say. So I hope you enjoy, and today's video is going to be basically a side mirror video. It should be in the title of the video, but let's start it off. I didn't end right. So I hope you enjoy the video coming up, and if you do, give me a subscribe and give the video a like. Alright, well, you know what? Oh, actually, no. I got my haircut. Alright. Only use one camera today because I'm too lazy to edit this whole video. So I bought a bunch of mods for this car because I finally had money saved up and I really wanted to start buying stuff. So over the next month, I'm getting like 20 different deliveries for little different things. First mod, I think this will be the first one of many. I got this very normal looking box. These aren't normal side mirrors. They're actually, I think reps, but I got these all the way from Australia. So I paid decent money and international shipping for this. But mostly the international shipping. And they're not just your normal mirrors. They're Ganador style mirrors. So I really love the look of these, and personally it has no functional value outside of the look. And I think the viewing angle is actually worse than my stock mirrors, but I really wanted to get these mirrors. I want to change the angle because I want better lighting. There we go. Alright, so what I have here are, again, Ganador mirrors. And well, get to installing, I got the carbon print, and yeah, and it goes full. And again, on this car, these manuals are so manual that they don't even move with the lever. Like, you gotta like push the mirror and that's it. These plug into the motors on the car because, I mean the switches on the car, because I have actually the whole entire harness wired and I just need to plug something in. Originally I was gonna go with the spoon ones or the normal ones that also could fold in, but I was just like, nah, I'm gonna get something that not many people have. I don't think, they don't actually make it to the Civic. Again, this is like reps. What it came with was 2 of these. Also came with adapter plates for the Civic side mirror. So, not gonna lie, this is gonna look pretty freaking clean. There's random paint stains there. I don't even know. This car was red before, so I don't know why there's white paint. But this side is the real one. They can't move, and there's actually a screw holding it in place. You look at it right here, it's actually held in by another screw, so it can't even go up and down. So guess what, when I'm looking at the road behind me, I don't even see the road or anything. I see like, if a car is taller, it can barely show up right here. It's pretty dangerous actually, so it can move left and right, but again, it's so busted, the lever doesn't do anything. Not the safest thing, but it works. The previous owner did not care. So I'm gonna be glad that I am actually removing. Again, these aren't the perfect carbon mirrors. I might, well, you know, I could just, if I don't like it too much, you know, one day paint the car, paint the mirrors, you know, not NVD. These are just carbon print anyways. I'm gonna go from this to this. Ooh, I'm excited. Oh shit, this actually looks pretty cool. Let's see. Also, I should have got the black ones because the carbon just doesn't look right. Nah, it's a thumbs down for me on the carbon. I could have saved like 20 bucks, but whatever. Anyways, as you can see, fitment not so great. Gonna need to shave down those mounting points, but I'm gonna do that tomorrow because I'm sleepy. This took a lot longer because I was a little weird, and the mounting honestly sucks. I'll figure it out a different way later, but whatever. So if you saw 3 seconds ago, the side mirror didn't fit too well. That's because the peg's a little too long, and you kind of figure this out as the same time that there's a rubber grommet under the mirror that helps seal everything together. So the best way to take it off, as you just saw, was to take off the screw from the side mirror and pull it off and take the grommet off.
and you kind of stare at both of it and try to figure out what to do. So you start taking it and kind of go back and forth, compare left and right, and you spend a while because this is sped up to 1000%. You're really trying to figure out what the hell to do. So you start taking a ruler, measuring stuff, and you really do realize that the pegs are way too long. And so the best bet is probably just squish on the grommet and try to really figure out what to do and look at it a little more, and you realize it doesn't fit too well. So what do? You look at the original one and look at it again, and you realize that there are slits for the front. So you actually have to cut those slits out. Again, taking a marker, you go back and forth trying to find the exact position based off the grommet. You take a Dremel and then you start sawing out the first slit. Kind of go back, be really careful because you only got one chance, you know, you gotta be really careful. And then you saw the second one and you realize it's a little tight, but you know, it's not a big deal, it's rubber, it kind of stretches now and then. You put the grommet back on and you keep measuring it all out, and then you start dremeling away and cutting away all the little long pegs of the adapter. As you go on, you kind of cut it up, and then now you have this. And as you can see, as I'm kind of finagling with it, you kind of see that the pegs are way shorter and they're kind of cut down. I do sand it down later on, but I didn't really record this part. Just wanted to see if the fitment was working really well. And yeah, as you can see, the rubber grommet kind of fits all nicely and snug, and lets closes that gap between what happened before with the original points on the peg. So I guess that's kind of it.
But as you're editing this video, you realize that you hate the fact that this carbon fiber looks so damn ugly. Like, you really hate this because this is really bad. Look how bad this is. So, we're gonna wrap it. And it's gonna turn from this to this. Would I call this a quality wrap job? Yeah, because it costed me excess of nothing because I basically reused old wrap. But how would I rate it from a scale of 1 to 10 on how it looks? It's like a 0 because it's garbage and it's not good. But if you look really closely, you see all the bad wrap job because this thing's really hard to wrap, and I'm gonna paint it one day, so I don't care. But you know, a lot easier than painting it right now because you know how the painting went last time. And if you don't know what these are Arrow Wolf side mirror visors. I got them because orange, and half this color scheme is white and orange on this car, so we're gonna go with it. I ordered these way long ago, but these are for Ganadors, and if these mirrors are what I think they are, they should fit. But if you want to see these connected, stay till the end of the video because that's when I'm going to be actually connecting all these things together. Yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about because I'm recording this after, because I forgot about this and I was editing the entire video, and you know, I forgot about half the things for this car. Yeah. Again, this was all recorded after because I forgot to finish the recording for this video. So I'm doing it now. And stay till the end of the video to see the little last special thing for these mirrors because I'm very excited that I almost forgot about these. Alright, here at Steven's Sweatshop, we never let anything go to waste. You see all of this excess wrap? We're gonna reuse it for the side mirrors because, well, last time I tried wrapping side mirrors, it didn't turn out too well. And I don't want to waste this wrap because it's just like leftover laying around. Also, this car's gonna get painted at some point. I'm gonna take all the wrap off anyways, so I'm gonna patch together this wrap for the mirrors. So let's get started. Camera died. Small camera died, so small camera died, and I didn't use big camera today. So, well, for this video at all. So, here are the Arrow Wolf installations, and not Air installation. Here are the Arrow Wolf side mirror visors, and well, yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, subscribe. We're at like, I don't know, 300 something subscribers, so let's get it higher. Yay! It's the first time checking in a while, so I'm surprised that 300 people are subscribed, though I'm assuming some are my friends, but there are a bunch of random people that subscribe. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope that you like this kind of content, and I hope to do a little bit more. This took longer than I thought, and I do not enjoy wrapping it this badly. And you can tell me in the comments, oh, this is a terrible wrap job. Yeah, it is. I gave it a 0 out of 10. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like the video if you liked it, and see you next time. Bye. Oh yeah, also gotta hand to small little companies for handing out little candies, because these Asian candies, this one's yuzu, freaking delicious. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.